I'm going to skip the greeting board today, and we're going to do some video messages about all the different lessons that we're going to do today. We'll look back at the greeting board when we meet again tomorrow. Here's a fun play idea I have for you today. Now, depending on how warm it gets out today, you might want to move this outside to sidewalk or just in the grass. But the things you need for this are a tub or a bowl that you can fill halfway with water, a couple different sized cups, a towel, and a pair of scissors. So the first thing you're going to want to do is grab your pair of scissors and one of your cups, and I'm going to make a hole with one point of it. This is definitely an adult project to get started, but trying to just make a hole right here in the bottom. For my plastic cup, I'm going to just make a couple slices in the side near the bottom, just like that and like that. Now, I know that you know that cups don't hold water very well when they have holes in them, but that's the point of this fun project. You can take your cups and explore and see what happens with the hole, kind of like a shower. You can fill up your other cup, maybe. Oh, did I get right to my holes? I didn't. So I'm going to try it one more time. I'm going to fill it up. And then I see it starts to leak out of the other side like this. Maybe if I squish my cup a little bit, I can see like this. Maybe if you have a safety pin and a plastic cup, you can poke holes in the bottom of the cup, and when you pick it up, it could be something that looks more like a shower or a watering can. That's just a fun water play idea. You don't have to use cups. You can use measuring spoons, regular spoons, plastic spoons, anything like that. And then when you're done, try to have a towel on hand so you can dry up your hands and the towel in the space around your tub of water. If it gets warm enough, bring this outside, and then you won't really have to have the towel by so much. This next lesson is on day number 9. It's called Finger Flash. We've played it in the classroom as a game called Shazam. So all you need are your fingers. We start by putting your hands behind our back and think of a number just in your head that you're going to flash up quickly. It should be a small number, something 5 or below, something easy to shout out the number quickly without counting the fingers. The object of this game is to see if your child can quickly tell you a small number of fingers that you have up. So if I say Shazam and I hold up 2, your child should be able to shout 2 right away. If 2 is a really easy number, you can continue to get progressively harder by holding up a few more fingers like this. You would say Shazam. They could say 4. Maybe that's very simple for them. You can try and make it a little more difficult by using both your hands, but remember, please try not to do anything more than 5. So maybe you have 3 fingers on one hand and 1 finger on another to make 4, or 2 and 2, that sort of thing, or just 1 and 1. So it would look something like this. Shazam! And they could tell you 4 immediately. If this gets a little too hard, go back to just using one hand. But remember, hide it first, make it whatever magic word you want to reveal your fingers, and also only try to do between 1 and 5 when you're doing your flash fingers. For this next lesson on day 9, it's called Happy or Sad. You'll need a piece of paper and a marker or a pen or just something to draw or write with. On this piece of paper, you're going to draw a face that is frowning, and you're going to draw a face that is happy. And then I'm going to fold my paper in half, and that way my frowning face and my happy face are not being shown at the same time. After you have your 2 faces that are drawn, you can describe something to your child, a scenario that maybe your child has experienced, and then have them decide how that made them feel. If it made them feel happy, or if it made them feel sad or mad, that would be the frowning face. Here's what my happy face and frowning face look like. You can see the crease in the middle. I chose to fold it in half so that it goes like this. I can flip it back and forth. You might want to talk to your child about what they think this face is. And if they tell you that it's happy, you might want to ask them how they know it's happy. Try to see if they pay attention to things like the smile or the eyebrows. Those sorts of things are facial features on everybody's face that can tell us how someone is feeling and are very important to make sure that we look at when we are solving problems with others. In one of your literacy kits, there is a book called We're Going on a Bear Hunt. You can check out this story on YouTube today. Here's the address below. You'll just have to type it into the search bar when you get into YouTube, and you can take a look at it. Another thing you can do is you can look up YouTube, We're Going on a Bear Hunt song. There is a very favorite song by an artist called Greg and Steve that our children usually love to dance to. So if you want to have a little bit of a bear hunt today, you can read a book along with Michael Rosen, or you can dance along to the song that you can find on YouTube. Hi Harper, are you ready to play a game? Okay, here are the rules of the game. There are letters hiding all around the backyard, and you are going to go find one letter and then run back to me and tell me what letter you found. When you tell me what letter you found, you can run and find another letter. Are you ready? Okay, go run and find me a letter. I had 7 letters around the yard. F. What letter is that? F. F. Okay, put it down right in front of me. Good job. Now go find another one. We'll look around the yard, see what you find. If you have bathtub letters, those are nice foam ones that you can find pretty much anywhere. If you have them, you can hide them outside. If you don't have the bathtub letters, there are letters made of paper in your learning kit. You found P. Okay, put that one down. Find another one. After you cut each of your letters apart, you can choose to hide all of the letters. You can choose to hide only some of the letters, or letters that you want to work on with your children. If you can't go outside right now, you can hide them around your house and make a hide and seek game for letters in your house.
I found X!
You found X, great. Okay, put it down and find another. You found 3 letters. There's more hiding.
Where are they?
I'm not sure.
I found orange.
You found orange? Okay, go take a look and see what letter it might be.
It's T.
It is T. Very good. Put it down and go find another. There are 3 more letters hiding. Oh, what did you find here?
H.
An H. Good. Now there are only 2 more letters hiding.
Are they?
I'll give you a clue. One is near your sandbox. The letter is near your sandbox. What letter did you find? L. Very good. There's one last letter. It's a yellow letter.
Where is it?
Where is it? Look.
It might be close to where you started.
Oh, you remembered where you started by Mom's car? What letter is that one?
I can't get it off.
There, you did it. Tell me again what letter that one is?
C.
Letter C. Guess what? You found all the letters.
Let's do it again.
Okay, good job. Thanks for joining us for our video lessons today. Harper would like to say hello to all of you. Say hello.
Hello.
And she wanted to do some wish you wells with me. Are you ready to sing wish you well to everybody? Here we go. We wish you well. We wish you well. All through your day today, we wish you well. We hope you have a great Thursday. We'll see you again on Friday.